Okay, so this is a stupid selfie of me in the engine. This is how it arrived back to me. Went with a black and aluminium kind of color scheme. I'm really excited about it. That's the Engine Builders logo on there. It did a really good job. So it was all kind of bare bones, and I stripped the engine before I dropped it off to him. So this is all spare stage. So I took my intake manifold, alternator, basically everything that bolts onto the engine, masked it up, and started painting and cleaning. So you can kind of see some before and after shots and stuff through here. That one, see the throttle body is actually covered, so I just thought, I'll just paint the actual intake manifold there. So that's, the kind of difference. Now this is me dressing the engine. That's all the emissions harness and stuff, put it back on. You can see the red, I've got new lines for the oil metering pump, and everything's just going on in stages here. So now it's got fuel rails and everything as well. The wiring looms fed through there as well. Fuel rails on. Throttle body and everything on. That's kind of the last piece of the puzzle. And then you can see the front. All the pulleys and stuff aren't on yet. It's me still trying to snake all the wiring through. That was actually a pretty tricky job. You can see I've got all the pulleys there. I actually repainted the brackets they were on as well as the pulleys themselves. I've got the AC compressor and power steering pump on there. That's the front of the engine, the alternator freshly cleaned and painted as well. Looks great. Here we go. Your engine's hoist up. Everything's bolted on. It's ready to roll. Actually, just positioning it there. And there we go. So that's the engine in just on its mounts. Took a long time to get it bolted to the actual trans, just as I put the hoist up there. That's it, kind of me just in stages, putting stuff on, and that's the interior. So the interior was so full of stuff, so it was good to clean it up. And then this is just sitting waiting for me to actually get it running. And here we've got the first official start. Still took us a while before we got it running properly, but you can kind of hear the nervousness in my voice. Good oil pressure. Is it just not holding an idle? Okay, here's the car all together, everything officially bolted on. It's just covered in dust. This is before its first wash, so I've got it in the wash bay there ready to go. And then right here is the Raptor Birdwood. So this is a pretty big event here in SA. It's probably the largest rotary gathering now. I managed to get it down there. I had some dramas along the way, but I did get down there, and it's that's a photo of it on display on the lawn with an Instagram filter on it, because it was as clean as I could get it of the day, but I ran out of time, and actually won second for the FC class, so I was pretty excited about that. So thanks for watching, guys. I lost my GoPro for a bit, that's why there's a lag, but should be some fresh content coming out soon, and thanks very much.